Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Marina Shiraishi. Code JUQ796. Released on July 9, 2024. And it has 150 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her coworker. The girl was unhappy with her husband and they are on the edge of getting a divorce. So the girl set aside her problem and wants to have a peace of mind. So the girl works at a convenience store and she meets her coworker. Apparently, the days goes by, they develop a feeling towards each other. So later that night, they went to the girl apartment while her husband was at work, leaving them alone at home. Things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.